Paano nga ba makaka-avail ng worth 13 million condominium na rent-owned here in Fort Bonifacio? Hi guys, my name is Kel from World at the Fort, and this is the 35 square meter condo unit here in Park McKinley West, Fort Bonifacio. Pag ready to move in na ang unit na napili nyo, all you need to do is to down at least 1.2 million pesos, monthly na 30,000 pesos lang for 36 months, lump sum every 10th, 20th, and 30th month na 500,000 pesos, at turnover balance na 9.5 million na babayaran mo sa 37th month na pwedeng ipasok sa in-house finance and bank finance. Wow! Don't worry, valid ID and reservation fee lang ang kailangan para mapasayo na ang unit na to. By the way, few units left na lang ang meron, kaya kung gusto mong magpa-schedule na for viewings, meetings, or other inquiries, just comment down below, 1 bedroom, so I can assist you. Catch you in the next one.